Police have seized contraband drugs worth 60 lakh rupees and nabbed a drug peddler in Meghalaya's East Janta Hills district on Sunday. L.R. Bishnoi, DGP of Meghalaya, said a notorious drug trafficker was nabbed and heroin worth 60 lakh rupees was seized in the Lomshnong area, and the operation was launched by the team of East Janta Hills District Police. During the second week of March, the police of East Janta Hills district of Meghalaya seized drugs worth 32 lakh rupees and apprehended 3 drug peddlers. Similarly, a successful interception was made leading to the arrest of 3 drug peddlers in Barnihat. Acting on a tip-off, a naka was set up near Barnihat police outpost where a Maruti Alto 800 was intercepted and searched. Upon investigation, 14 soap boxes containing 140.37 grams of heroin were discovered. The weather report. The maximum